Hirevz Media is sponsored by Born to Ride Motorcycle Magazine. Check out borntoride.com.
That Cobra video I had a few years back, I had some Ford racing wires on it, and they were brand new and crap out of the box. These have been on here a little while, so you can't fault them too much for that. But hopefully it is the wires. But I do have another set of wires I'm going to have to make up. And they're red, so I'm actually other MSD has stuff, so we're going to try that. Guys, so we're out here looking at the Mustang, got these Ford racing wires on here, about to rip them off, and these are the ones we've got. We've had them here in the shop for a long time. There's a few different ends and pieces to go on here, and then a whole bunch of different types of ends, but they do have the MSD cap style wire, which is what technically should be here, where they pop through there to hold in place, I suppose. So start going through one wire at a time, pulling these off. All right, guys, so a couple different pieces on here. So we're gonna use these, and they snap down on the plug, or on the cap really good, actually. But we got this wire stuck in there, folded under. Gonna bring that all the way in as far as it'll go. And then crimping these things are a little tricky, but we wanna essentially just get that to crimp directly in there and squeeze it down. Let it grab on. It will, as long as that's in there. And these things are super hard to push in here. So we got some of the Seal Glide and put some of it on here, which is good as dielectric grease anyways. A little bit, and then shove some in the hole there. Let's see if it'll go in. There it goes. There it is. That Seal Glide makes all the difference. Otherwise you fight with one of these for 5 minutes each. It's gonna work pretty good. pretty good with the red wires on it. Seems to be doing good, but we'll see. All right, here we go. Like that fixed it.
Right, guys, don't forget you can get $25 off of ceramic coating the Armor Shield 9 from Avalon King by putting Hirevz 25 in at checkout at avalonking.com.
Time to get out and play. AMSOIL delivers the ultimate protection for your vehicles and equipment. Fast, free shipping right to your door. Spend $100 and shipping is on us. Order now at AMSOIL.com.